We have explained that the native peoples have been using biorelativity for many centuries. But there are certain adaptations and differences in the modern approach to biorelativity. And let me give you some examples. We now have fantastic radar systems for our weather reporting. And most people are very familiar with the green colors on a weather radar report that indicate storms and rain are coming. And we all have seen also the depictions of hurricanes and cyclones on the television. These images are very powerful and also are useful tools for coordinating meditations and biorelativity work. Let me explain how that works. Let us look at visualization as one powerful tool for biorelativity. Many people can visualize the storm in a large circle on a radar weather report that they see on television. When we have people working with biorelativity, oftentimes they will want to lessen the effect of the storm so there is not damage to their homes or to their towns. So we instruct people to visualize again that storm that they see depicted on the weather report television. And we say, imagine that the center of the storm is not as compact. Imagine that the storm is spread out and is not as strong. Imagine that it is not centered on one area, but rather it is weakening and it is not directly hitting a coastline where it could create a lot of damage. So people, through these instructions, have gotten together and have had some very interesting and positive results. Especially, we have heard reports where people have been able to feel the lessening of the effect of a storm. Now let us also imagine that there is a lot of energy that is on the Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire, of course, is the fault line that goes through much of Central, South, and North America, and even as far north as up through China and Japan. Now imagine that people visualize that this Ring of Fire, this fault line, has energy that is being lessened, that is being discharged, so that it does not have to be released at once. This would be another example of biorelativity exercises. It would be very powerful if we had people in different parts of the fault simultaneously meditating, simultaneously sending the thoughts that please allow a lesser energy to be released. We understand in biorelativity that the Earth has the need to release energy at certain spots and at certain times. What we are trying to do is coordinate a lessening of those releases through biorelativity exercises so that damaging earthquakes and damaging storms do not occur.